Hi Dollar Divas, welcome back to my channel. So today is another Dollar Tree haul. I went yesterday to my closest Dollar Tree and found a bunch of items. I really went in there for just a couple things and ended up leaving with quite a bit more. So kind of impromptu haul. I'm not made up today. It's been a crazy week. I will catch up with you in a get ready with me soon. I also still have an empties video. I can't remember if it's a Dollar Tree empties. It's some kind of an empties video coming up it was batched with my last set of videos. So but I think this is gonna go up first. Anyways, it's been crazy, so don't mind that I look a mess. I just wanted to share what I picked up at the Dollar Tree yesterday. And so yes, if you are coming back to my channel, welcome back. Thank you so much for joining me again, as always, for another video. And if you are new, my name is Jessica, and I love to do a lot of dollar store and Dollar Tree oriented makeup and shopping content. So if that's your thing, you are definitely in the right place. So without any further chit chat, let's just go ahead and get into today's haul. So the first thing, I am actually going to Mexico next week. It's kind of a little bit of a last minute trip, and I kind of felt like I needed a new hat just to I wear sunscreen, but I also like to keep the sun off my face best I can. And I have a UV protective one that I wear in the pool, but it's really kind of ugly. I don't wear it in public. I just wear it privately at home in my pool. But I thought this was really cute, just a little straw hat. It's got like a little leopard ribbon, and I've got several of these that I've worn over the years. You know, they last me like a season or whatever. And I don't like to commit spending too much money on something like this. So I just thought for $1 that was really, really cute. So that is coming to Mexico with me. It's also something I can crunch up and put in my bag without really worrying about it all that much. So picked that up for $1.25. And they had like a darker shade of beige, and they had some ones with like different colored ribbons around them and all that kind of good thing. I have one that's like a straw one that's like a fedora shaped, which is really cute. So yeah, just picked that up for my upcoming Mexico trip. Then again, because I've been and will continue to be traveling quite a bit, I lost track of like my toothbrush holder, so I bought another package of them. That way I can have something to put my toothbrush in. So I actually already took it out. It came with a red one and like a white one. So my last one I had was white. Actually, I bought a white and a blue one. My husband still has the blue one for his toothbrush. So wanted to replace mine. Now I have an extra, and just really, really good for, $1.25. You just put your $1.25 for two, you just put your toothbrush in there. I like it better than just the little thing that goes on the end of the toothbrush, because I find that those, I've never had really good luck. They always seem to pop off. So I just like the good old fashioned entire container. So now I have an extra one as well. So super good deal for something like that. Definitely that kind of stuff is just made to get at the Dollar Tree. Why spend any more? Then I found a few brand name items. So I've been seeing people haul this brand here, this Ioni brand, and I found the Naturally Kind Soft and Smooth Biodegradable Cleansing Wipes. So here is what they look like. It says they're formulated for normal to dry skin and also sensitive skin. It's infused with conditioning provitamin B5 to hydrate your skin, remove your makeup. You get 25 wipes, so I'm excited to try these. Might go back and get another pack. I don't know, but definitely wanted to give those a try. And also the same brand is this Ioni Naturally Kind Hydra Toner. It's for dull and sensitive skin. It comes in this little bottle right here, super cute. And it says on here, instant hydrating and brightening essence. Water distilled from the neroli flower and vitamin C. I've been wanting some vitamin C products. It says that this brightens, smooths, and softens. You get 3.3 fluid ounces. So I am excited to try this. It comes with a little, I like that it has this little squirt bottle kind of thing, and it has a very light, very pleasant smell. It says it's cruelty-free and vegan and dermatologist approved. 97% natural ingredients, and it's fragranced by plants. So I will definitely let you know. If you've tried any of these Ioni products, definitely let me know. So was definitely always excited to see some kind of a brand name in the Dollar Tree. Speaking of which, I've got 2 more masks. A while back, I had hauled a Freeman, like a rose gold peel-off mask, and they had a couple different ones when I went yesterday as well. So they're both Freeman brand, full-sized. This one here is a gel mask and scrub. It's got charcoal and black sugar. It's polishing. It's a dual action mask, all skin types. It exfoliates pores. It detoxifies pores and exfoliates for smooth skin. I think I've actually had this before. I want to say that what you did was you put it on your face and let it set and then like scrubbed it off. Yep. It says you can use it twice a week or as often as needed. So yeah, I've actually had this years ago. I remember really liking it. And then this is the French Pink Clay Peel-Off Mask. It says it's pore clearing and it smooths skin for a glowing complexion. So I've never seen this. I'm excited to try it. So yeah, it smells really nice. So it's like a pink clay, and then I guess it peels off as well. So that's kind of nice to have a clay mask that you don't have to like wash off. I've never tried anything like that. Like I said, my other one is like a rose gold like peel off mask. So yeah, very excited to try those. I need to do stuff like that more often, to be completely honest. So yeah, super excited to try. Then I got some makeup items, but before we get to those, I need to buy a couple more makeup sponges. I've recently, I only have like one left, I guess. I guess all my backups are gone. But I just got these by Sassy Chic, and I just got the 2 different shapes. You know, you have the one that's just a little bit more egg-shaped, and then this one here that, you know, has a little bit more of like the wide and then the tapered. So I just got one of each, couldn't decide, and figured I could use a couple of backups. Then for makeup, another product from the Be Pure Essentially Ageless line. This is the Hydrating Serum Concealer. They had 2 shades from what I could tell at my Dollar Tree. They had light to medium and medium to deep. I got light to medium. So here's what the concealer looks like. I have a foundation, a powder, a blush, I believe all like in this line or by this brand. So I was excited to see a concealer. I really like the packaging. It feels like something, you know, high end. It looks like something that like Makeup Forever or NARS or one of those brands would have. And it's got a little doe foot. And I'm just gonna kind of tap that on my skin. No scent, which is always nice. And it seems like it does a pretty good job at concealing. So we will definitely be doing like I said, I'm collecting items to try out some new Dollar Tree makeup. And so that when I do all that, that will definitely be in there. And then I've got a couple other little fun items. These are by Be Pure as well. And they come in these cute little packages right here. And one is a glitter liquid eyeshadow. It doesn't have a shade name on it, but it's like this kind of shimmery white. And here is what it looks like out of the package. And of course, we're gonna swatch it. That's really pretty. That's actually gonna make a really nice, like inner corner highlight. You know, I love to do. Look at that, really, really beautiful, really pigmented. Super excited to try that. And then I got 2 lip glosses. Again, they don't seem to have shade names on them, but this is what they look like in the package. They're both like pink shades. One's a little bit more fuchsia, one's a little bit more like a baby pink. And they're shimmer lip glosses, so they got a little bit of glitter in them. Here's what they look like out of the package. And of course, we will swatch these. Doesn't seem to be any scent. And really, more than being like really glossy, they're pretty much seem to be about exactly as they're described or named, as like a shimmer gloss. See, they're like very like shimmery, more so than like shiny. So I'm super excited to try. Like I said, we'll be using I'll be using some new makeup here pretty soon. I've just been trying to collect, and I'm always excited when I see new stuff. So we'll definitely be testing out some of this stuff coming up. So just a short and sweet haul. I do hope that you enjoyed it. I'll have other related content up here on the screen. That way you can binge watch more videos like this, more hauls, all that kind of thing. Please hit the like button if you enjoyed this video. Make sure you become a Dollar Diva and hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.